Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. I hope you can see this gorgeous glow that I am super obsessed with. Guys, we're going to talk about these. I bought two. These are the Hyper Shine highlight kits from KJH Hughes. This is her new brand. I bought these two. I am obsessed. And I mean, look, like the glow is unreal. So yeah, let's swatch, let's talk about it. I do have an affiliate link down below if you're interested in buying it. It would be a huge help to my channel. If not, no pressure. Let's play with makeup. I got two shades. I got light gold and light pink. I was afraid that light pink was gonna be too icy, and it's so nice. This is what they look like. Light pink, light gold. I will swatch these for you. This is light pink, this is light gold. And I just want you to see how the light just like bounces off. I will swatch here. Gold, pink. For my skin tone, the pink does work. So I'm excited about that. Now I got two kits. Each kit is $75. I know it's a lot, but the way I justified it in my head, girl math, was I got this, and this for $75. Everything was $25 each. That was my justification for it. So you get in the kit, you get one color, you get the pigment, you get the Hyper Shine serum. This is like a glycerin-based serum, and that's what's gonna give like this. It's gonna give it like this amped up, like dewy juiciness. Then you get the brush. So it is sold as a kit at the moment. Katie did say that sometime in the future she may do it like separate, but she wanted it to be like an experience for everybody and to kind of have the tools that she has to achieve that look. So I know some people weren't happy about that. I personally, I don't mind. Like, I love highlighter and I'm okay with the kit. The brush is obviously cruelty free. It's like synthetic. So, all right. And this is the serum. The one thing I will say about the serum is it doesn't like screw on tight, or it doesn't screw on to close. You got to pull it. And when you pull it, you do get some serum that does come out. And it's just clear. But see how it's like shiny? So whatever's here, I'm actually just going to drip in here. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to just drop in. Whoops, that's kind of a lot. And then here. I'm gonna take whatever is left on this. I'm going to quickly close it. So you have to do that. And I'm gonna put the excess in these little pots. Just like that. Okay, so we could use it almost like underpainting on the face and put it on the cheek, and then we can put foundation on top, and then, you know, do it that way. So let me get my hair out of my face. I'm just gonna clip these guys back. All right, the other thing she said that she likes to do, and I saw this recently, she likes to get the back of the brush and she'll kind of mix it. So I don't know, let's try it. Let's see what happens. And I think with that, because you get some product, so that's it kind of mixed. You could do it on the back of your hand as well. See how by adding that serum, it just gives it that like dewy glow versus how it looked here. So I'm gonna take and load up the brush. And she hits the high points of the face. So, I mean, it's like instant. And if I put more serum, it's gonna be more sheer. If I use less serum, you're gonna see more of that pigment, which I'm totally fine with. But like I said, see, it's not too like icy, or I was afraid it was gonna be blue. It's not. And I have a yellow olive undertone. I always joke with my husband, I'm like a lemon, because lemons are yellow, but there's like a little tint of green because of the I don't know, I see green and yellow. So that is light pink. And then this is gold. The other way she was showing to use it was you just take the brush after you've put the serum in there and you just swirl it. Get the product on. And you just pop it on. I feel like that way you almost get a teeny bit more of the serum versus the pigment. So like on this side, this is gold, pink, and you could see the gold is a golden tint versus the pink is a little, it's just slightly icy. And she kind of just takes it everywhere. And she'll even do it on the eyes. Wherever you're gonna put this, the light is gonna catch on the face and it's just gonna bring it forward, right? Because that's what a highlighter does. I'm swapping brush, look. 2 brushes. I didn't wanna mix the pigmentation. So, that's that under or on bare skin. I think it looks really nice. I prefer the method of scooping it out on my hand because I feel like this side just has slightly more serum on top, but you mix how you wanna mix it. Those were mere suggestions. Throw that pink on top here. See how you can see it, but it's not as glossy? I feel like this side is more glossy, but again, mix how you wanna mix. All right, let me throw some foundation on and we're gonna pop this on top of foundation. I will be right back. All right, I put foundation on. If you're curious, I don't know, I should have just filmed it, but I put the Nessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. I use 11G. It's a little bit warm, but it also kind of works. Has a golden undertone. So, but you can see a teeny bit of that glow peeking through. We're gonna pop some glow on top now. I'm gonna do the method that I liked, where I'm gonna scoop it up, put it on my hand, and then put it on my cheek. And the reason I'm gonna do that, here's a little fun fact about me. I do not like to get something and like I have makeup on now, so I know that if I put a brush here and I dip it back in here, it's gonna put color there, and that drives me bonkers. I don't know why I'm like that, but I don't like it. So there's a little fun fact about me. I hate, just like if I have lipstick on and I put a clear gloss, you will never see me put the gloss inside and like put it directly to my lips and then put it back. You'll never see me do that. It's like, that is a way to set me off. I don't know why. Okay, I'm taking the pink and I'm gonna just pop. So that's light pink. Ah, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the gold on this side. And I am mixing, oh, I think I picked up too much there. And that looks really, really pretty, especially with my undertone. Sorry, I'm like filming a little shot here for Instagram too. Gold, pink. Super pretty, super pretty. Love these. I mean, this is like that signature KJH Hughes look. I'm gonna just even myself out. I kind of like the way the pink is popping right now. Honestly, the shades will work across the board on almost all skin tones. I feel like the bronze one and copper one is gonna warm up somebody who's more fair complexion. But if you're like me and you're kind of like in the middle somewhere, I mean, this is the pink one, which you would think it would go better with somebody who's more fair. It looks great on me and it definitely pops. Again, the fun thing about this is you can adjust how much glow you're gonna get, if you want more pigment, if you want more serum. Yeah, it's a fun makeup product to have. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next one.